Hello students, I am Hitesh Manglani, Assistant Professor at LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. Today we will discuss Unit 1 of Mathematics 1, that is Taylor series and Maclaurin series. Let's start with Taylor series. So Taylor series of function f of x is given by f of x is equal to f of a plus x minus a raised to 1 divided by 1 factorial into f dash a plus x minus a whole square divided by 2 factorial f double dash a plus so on, plus nth term will be x minus a raised to n divided by n factorial fn a plus so on. So Taylor series is an infinite series, and using Taylor series we can express function in ascending powers of x minus a. So let's discuss example related to Taylor series. First example, find the Taylor series expansion. Find the Taylor series expansion of f of x is equal to x cubed minus 2x plus 4, where a is equal to 2. Okay, so here in this example we have to find out Taylor series of this function for a equal to 2. So first of all, we have to find out f of a. So for f of a, replacing x by a, and what is the value of a? It is 2. So replacing x by 2. So here it will be 2 cube minus 2 into 2 plus 4. So what is the value of 2 cube? It is 8 minus 4 plus 4. So it will be 8. So this is the answer of f of a. Now next step, we will have to find out f dash a. For that, first of all, we will have to find out f dash x. So differentiating f of x with respect to x. So here, taking derivative of f of x. So derivative of x cubed with respect to x will be 3x square. Because derivative of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. So by that formula, derivative of x cube will be 3x square. Then minus 2 into derivative of x is 1. Derivative of x is 1. Again using the same formula, derivative of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. Okay, so by that formula, derivative of x will be 1. Now 4 is a constant term. So derivative of constant term is 0. So this will be 3x square minus 2. Now we will have to find out f dash a. So replacing x by a, and value of a is 2. So here 3 into 2 square minus 2. So it will be 3 into 4, 12. 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. So this is the answer of f dash 2. Now what we will have to find out? F double dash a. So for that we will have to take derivative of f dash x. So taking derivative of f dash x. So here 3 will be as it is, and the derivative of x square will be 2x. So here we will write down 2x, and 2 is a constant term, so derivative of constant term is 0. Okay. So here it will be 6x. Now replacing x by a, and value of a is 2. So here replacing x by 2. So 6 into 2, that is 12. So value of f double dash a is 12. Now next step, we will have to find out f triple dash x. That means we will have to take derivative of f double dash x. So taking derivative of f double dash x, here we will get f triple dash x. So here it is 6x. Okay. So 6 will be as it is and derivative of x is 1. So this will be 6. Okay. Now here we will have to replace x by a. So here f triple dash a, that means f triple dash, what is the value of a? That is 2. Okay. So here we will have to replace x by 2, but here there is no x. So this will be as it is. So here f triple dash 2 will be 6. Here as you can see, given function is a polynomial function of degree 3. So we can find out derivative of this function till f triple dash x. Because if we go further, then derivative of this 6 will be 0. Okay. Therefore, we will have to find out derivative till f triple dash x. Now, by Taylor series, what is Taylor series? It is f of x is equal to f of a plus x minus a raised to 1 divided by 1 factorial f dash a plus x minus a whole square divided by 2 factorial f double dash a plus x minus a whole cube divided by 3 factorial f triple dash a. Here no need to write down plus so on because derivative is 0. Okay. So here now replacing a by 2. So it will be f of 2 plus x minus 2 divided by 1 factorial, and the value of 1 factorial is 1, so no need to write down. Then f dash 2 plus x minus 2 whole square divided by 2 because 2 factorial is 2. Then f double dash 2 plus x minus 2 whole cube divided by 6 because 3 factorial is 6. Okay. F triple dash 2. Clear? Now here what is the value of f of 2? F of 2 is 8. So here we will write down 8 plus x minus 2. What is the value of f dash 2? It is 10. So here we will write down 10 plus x minus 2 whole square divided by 2. What is the value of f double dash 2? Value of f double dash 2 is 12. So here we will write down 12 plus x minus 2 whole cube divided by 6. What is the value of f triple dash 2? It is value of f triple dash 2 is 6. Okay. So here final, if we simplify it, then it will be 8 plus 10 into x minus 2 plus here 12 divided by 2 will be 6. So plus 6 into x minus 2 whole square, and here 6 cancel out, so it will be plus x minus 2 whole cube. So this is our final answer. So this is a Taylor series of function f of x. Now let us discuss second example. Expand e raised to x in powers of, expand e raised to x in powers of x minus 1 up to 3 terms. Okay, so here we have to expand e raised to x in powers of x minus 1 up to 3 terms. So first of all, here we will have to find out value of a. So for that, comparing x minus 1 with x minus a. So if we compare x minus 1 with x minus a, then value of a will be 1. Okay. Now next step, we will have to find out f of a. So for f of a, just replacing x by 1. So it will be e raised to 1. So it will be e. Okay. Then next step, differentiating f of x with respect to x. So derivative of e raised to x with respect to x will be e raised to x. So it will be e raised to x. Now we will find out f dash a. So it will be f dash 1, replacing x by 1. So it will be e raised to 1, which is e. Okay. Now again taking derivative with respect to x. So derivative of f dash x with respect to x, that means derivative of e raised to x with respect to x will be again e raised to x, and here f double dash a. So replacing x by 1, so it will be e raised to 1, which is e. So by Taylor series, f of x is equal to f of a. So what is the value of f of a? It is e. So here we will write down e plus x minus a. So it will be x minus 1 into f dash a. What is the value of f dash a? It is again e. So here we will write down e plus x minus a whole square divided by 2 factorial, then into f double dash a. So what is the value of f double dash a? It is again e. So here we will write down e plus so on. Okay. So this is the Taylor series of function e raised to x in powers of x minus 1 up to 3 terms. Here as you can see there are 3 terms. Now let us discuss third example. Expand f of x is equal to log x in powers of x minus 1, by Taylor series. Okay. So here first of all we will have to find the value of a. So for that, comparing x minus 1 with x minus a. So if we compare x minus 1 with x minus a, then value of a will be 1. Okay. Now by Taylor series we have to find the value of f of a. So for f of a, replacing x by 1. So here we will replace x by 1. So here it will be log 1. And the value of log 1 is 0. Okay. Value of log 1 is 0. Now we will have to find out f dash x. That means we have to take differentiation of f of x with respect to x. So derivative of log x with respect to x is 1 divided by x. Okay. Now we will have to find out f dash a. So here replacing x by 1. So 1 by 1 will be 1. Clear? Now again we have to take derivative of f dash x with respect to x. So here we will find out f double dash x. So that means derivative of 1 by x with respect to x. So derivative of 1 by x with respect to x is minus 1 divided by x square. Okay. Here again we will replace x by a. So we will replace x by 1. So minus 1 divided by 1 square. So it will be minus 1. Okay. Now we will find out f triple dash x. So here minus 1 by x square can be written as minus x raised to minus 2. Okay. Now we have to find the derivative of x raised to minus 2. So derivative of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. So here derivative of x raised to minus 2 will be minus 1 into minus 2 into x raised to minus 3. By the formula, derivative of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. Okay. So this can be written as 2 divided by x cube. Now f triple dash a. So replacing x by 1. So it will be 2 divided by 1 cube. So it will be 2. So by Taylor series, f of x is equal to f of a. What is the value of f of a? It is 0. Okay. Then here we will write down x minus a into f dash a. So x minus 1 into f dash a. What is the value of f dash a? It is 1. Okay. So here we will write down 1. Then plus x minus 1 whole square divided by 2 factorial f double dash dash a. What is the value of f double dash a? It is minus 1. So here we will write down minus 1. Okay. Plus x minus 1 whole cube divided by 3 factorial f triple dash a. Value of f triple dash a is 2. Okay. Then here minus so on. So if we simplify this, then f of x is equal to x minus 1 minus x minus 1 whole square divided by 2, and here 2 divided by 6, 3 factorial is 6. So this will be plus x minus 1 whole cube divided by 3 minus so on. So here, as you can see in the final answer, there are 3 terms. So in today's lecture, we have discussed about Taylor series. So using Taylor series, we can expand function in ascending powers of x minus a. So in that, we have first discussed example of polynomial. So in polynomial, we have find the Taylor series of polynomial function, and then after we have discussed example of e raised to x, and last example we have discussed, that is log x in powers of x minus 1. So this is the application of Taylor series. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.